If you lived in your house, I want you to think about when was the last time you changed your air filter. And some people go, well, I didn't know I had an air filter. Every furnace has an air filter.
Year-round, your furnace is working to move air while it collects dust particles in the air. But many don't realize that filters need changed every few months. And if you have high-efficiency furnaces and use pleated filters which collect even more dust, well, they need changed even more frequently.
That's where we have the issue. In yesteryear, when you had a coal furnace and it was only heat, you would buy inexpensive fiberglass filters. Now we've got these woven mesh filters, and they collect a whole lot more.
Every furnace made within the last 10 years is high efficiency, meaning it picks up more dirt and allows air to flow more efficiently.
So you want to change that filter so that it cleans it up and is able to breathe better. We all have to breathe better.
But more dirt means more of a fire hazard. As the dirt collects, your furnace overworks, gets hot, and burns up.
Well, basically the busy season for home heating fires is roughly December, January, and February. So that's when it gets the busiest.
Scott Campbell, the owner of M&M Hardware, says he sees people with filters that prove to be dangerous far too frequently, and many unaware of the dangers they face.
The biggest thing is maintain your furnace. If you do have a problem with it, have it serviced as soon as possible. Every heating season, you should check your filter and change your filter just so your filter's not clogged and you're getting a good flow of oxygen to your furnace.
Steubenville Fire Chief Carlo Capaldi also says it's important to make sure combustibles are far from your furnace and make sure you have working smoke detectors. If you keep warm from a fireplace or a space heater, never leave them unattended. Reporting for News 9, I'm Julianna Furfari.